In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the dynamic zoom feature in Davinci Resolve. This tool is a fantastic way to add motion and interest to your video projects with ease. Whether you're working on a narrative film, a documentary, or even a YouTube vlog, mastering dynamic zoom can significantly enhance your visual storytelling. So let's dive right in. To begin, we need to open Davinci Resolve and select an existing project. Once your project is up and running, navigate to the Edit page, which is where most of your timeline work will take place. You'll find this at the bottom of the Davinci Resolve interface among the different tabs available. The Edit page offers a comprehensive workspace for arranging your clips and applying various effects, including dynamic zoom. Now, locate the Preview screen, which is generally found on the upper right side of the interface. Below this screen, there's a drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on it. This menu reveals several options that allow you to modify how your clips are displayed during playback. Among these options is the one we're interested in, the dynamic zoom. Selecting this option enables the feature for the clip currently selected on your timeline. Once you've clicked dynamic zoom, you'll notice two outlines appear over your preview clip. The green outline represents the starting point of the zoom, and the red outline shows the ending point. These outlines are key to controlling the zoom effect on your footage. The position and size of these rectangles determine how the zoom will progress over the duration of your clip. The next step involves adjusting these zoom guides. Click and drag the green and red outlines directly within the preview screen to resize or reposition them according to your artistic needs. If you want the zoom to start wide and gradually narrow down, adjust the green outline to be larger than the red one. Conversely, for a zoom out effect, do the opposite. This simple adjustment allows for dynamic storytelling choices, guiding the viewer's focus precisely as you intend. Once you've configured your zoom guides, it's time to preview your work. Simply hit play within Davinci Resolve to see how your adjustments affect the clip. This real-time preview helps ensure that the motion aligns with your creative vision. Don't hesitate to tweak the guides and replay your clips as many times as needed to perfect the effect. Now that you've got the basics down, you can experiment with different zoom strategies throughout your project to add energy, focus, or drama to your scenes. Remember, dynamic zoom is an excellent tool, but like all effects, it should be used thoughtfully to complement the story you wish to tell. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it inspires you to explore creative possibilities within your projects. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.